Looset is a family of tools that brings visualization to explore big or complex code bases. They are a layer of knowledge beyond text or comments. Today, I'll tell you a story about a friend of mine, Johnny. He's a software developer and his boss sent him to a new project, one that's very old and nobody knows how it works. He also plans to onboard a lot of new developers to this project soon. So Johnny looks for a tool to help him understand it. Code takes time to understand. Even experienced software developers are expected to take more than a month to become productive in new projects. And on average, more than 80% of their time is spent on understanding and navigation. Without any input from Johnny, Looset Diagram can show him how code blocks reference each other. Diagrams of big projects can become hard to analyze, so he can filter specific components and visualize how the whole system is affected when doing specific changes. The whole family uses a label system. A label is very similar to a folder. The only difference is that a code block can be in more than one label at the same time. So Johnny can restructure his project and have multiple ways to see the interactions between code blocks. Instead of seeing it structure the same way, he can choose to see it by features or by entry points, for example. Looset Code shows him something very similar to his text editor when he clicks in a file. When selecting individual code blocks, he can see only those ones in the selected order. Johnny now can trust the code documentation because he can easily identify old documentation by comparing commit dates. What you saw here were non-functional prototypes. If you saw value in the tools, please check how you can help the tools become reality in the description. Thank you.